Thanks very much indeed for joining us this evening. Now, it's the little blue pill that started life as a treatment for heart conditions but went on to revolutionise the sexual health of millions. But from midnight tonight, the UK patent for Viagra expires, meaning that dozens of potentially cheaper alternatives will soon be available. Sky's Ursula Errington reports.
This little blue pill has changed lives. For 15 years, Pfizer has manufactured Viagra, giving the chance of a normal sex life to millions of couples globally. But the pharmaceutical giant's exclusive rights to sell it in the UK have expired. That means competitors will want a slice of the multi-billion-pound market for a drug effectively discovered by accident.
We were initially working on a drug to lower blood pressure, and it was really 8 years after the start of the project that we discovered the side effect in medical students that we were testing the drug on that led us to understand it would be very effective in impotence.
From those humble beginnings, the drug has had a huge impact. 2.3 million men were prescribed Viagra last year, 500,000 more than in 2007. Pfizer's loss of the patent should mean that the NHS, which spent £40.3 million on the drug last year, will make big savings. Generic makers of the drug are expected to slash the price of a pill from £10 to as little as 85p. More than 20 Viagra alternatives could appear on the market within weeks. That gives great hope to Steve Gledhill, who was diagnosed with prostate cancer 4 years ago. As the aggressive hormone treatment needed to bring the disease under control took its toll on his body, the impact on his personal life was devastating.
To find that you've been cured is the good news. The bad news is your sex life has been ruined. It's nice to know that there is something that can be done to get you back to normality. I was prescribed one Viagra pill a week, which is the maximum number that the NHS will allow a doctor to prescribe. I don't believe that's enough. And the good news, I hope, the fact that Viagra is now going to be more freely available will mean that the guidelines will be re-examined.
With the cost of Viagra and its new competitors set to plummet, it's hoped fewer men will be tempted to take the risk of bypassing their doctor and the pharmacy by buying the drug online.
If you get it from the internet, you miss the opportunity to get diabetes diagnosed or premature heart disease diagnosed. So it's very important to get a good medical checkup.
Pfizer are confident trust in their brand means British men will choose their product over rivals, although more than half of their revenue for the drug comes from the United States. There, the patent has been extended for another 7 years. Ursula Errington, Sky News.